that you can have your Facebook application cloned. In this sense, what I'm trying to mean, do you know that you can have two Facebook applications installed right onto your phone? This is possible. Let me show you how this is done. So all you need to do is to go to the settings application. Remember, we are going to have two Facebook applications installed onto your phone. So over here within the settings menu, get to look up for what they call advanced features, then get to tap on them. Once you're done, over here, look up for Duo Messenger. Tap onto that. So over here, you will see Facebook in here. So just get to toggle on Facebook and you'll be able to install a second copy of Facebook. In this sense, you are cloning the Facebook application. So you tap on install. So within no time, it's installed. Then you get over here. Let me show you. Seeing is believing. So let me show you that we are having two Facebook applications on the phone. Here's the original Facebook application, and over here we do have the second copy of Facebook. So that's how basically you can get to do it. And this is functional. Remember that you can have another account of Facebook on this application and also another account on the original version of the application. Like what I'm trying to mean, the original, I don't know how to call it. I'm losing the words, but you can have different Facebook applications on these two Facebook apps. Yeah, thank you.